We heard from families, teachers, and school administrators, collaborated with district stakeholders, researched and evaluated numerous learning management systems, and the results are in. Canvas is the new district LMS. Canvas is a top-of-the-line learning management system, and it was selected because of its reputable and reliable services. In fact, it comes with a 99% uptime guarantee. Canvas allows easy third-party tool integration, connecting all of your favorite digital resources like Google Drive, Pear Deck, and textbooks. To make teachers' lives easier, Canvas has the ability to copy grades over from Canvas to HISD Connect with a single click. Parents, students, and teachers will have access to world-class mobile apps that will allow them to access Canvas from any mobile device. We know change can be difficult, but HISD is committed to provide all members of the HISD community with early training opportunities starting in the spring of 2022. It is important to know that the hub will shut down in July of 2022. Educators should download a copy of any materials they wish to keep. Be sure to take advantage of the flexible training opportunities leading to this transition. We will be sure to provide plenty of support once Canvas launches district-wide in August 2022. For the most up-to-date information, visit www.houstonisd.org/canvasinfo. Be sure to check for regular updates.